Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik. Greetings to all of you around the world from beautiful Southern California and Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. So today I'm just giving you little update on the greenhouse, and tomorrow, probably very soon, we'll give you update on lots of flowers in our orchard, so you'll be happy to hear what's the progress going on. So regarding the greenhouse, we didn't get a chance to get access. We just water fast, and I didn't move many plants until we had the birds hatching from the nest and fleeing, away from the nest. That very successful. We're taking care of the nature. We have so many nests around inside the trellises with the branches, and thanks God, those little chicks already flew away, and you can see they got a nice nest over here inside the box. And I'm so happy that Mama managed to take care of the babies. She fed them and they exercised and they flew away, and we're very happy to get access. And now little bit relocation of the plants. We do have a couple locations where we're rooting the cuttings, and same time we transfer the big one, transfer back to the orchard. Small cuttings that needs to be rooted, we put them back over here in our greenhouse. So we do have, we started to root a lot of Laverne white variety, which is good variety. I just only one who distribute them. This is from the Laverne nursery, which I got the plant 3-4 years ago, and I started to grow them. Very nice, big size, white flesh variety. Then on the right side over here, we have Lake Atitlan, very mature, probably, 4 to 5 feet tall Lake Atitlan variety, which is amazing variety as well. Big fruit. Frank Mijares, friends, excuse me, he's pollinating the Lake Atitlan with his purple haze, his Frank's variety, and big Vietnam white, the Grand Vietnam white, and it gets huge fruit from Lake Atitlan. Okay, here's the amazing variety which is called Nitzel. I just marked them with letter N at this point. We're rooting, getting successful. I see already some branches breaking up and growing all the way from the main branch. So that's a great variety, Nitzel, one of the oldest varieties that were distributed by Paul Thompson and all these great growers 25-30 years ago. Okay, so it's sweet variety, Nitzel, white flesh variety. I haven't tested for self-pollination yet, but it is 22 bricks with 2-pound fruit. Okay, Nitzel variety. Then on this side we have the have a few Connemara. We start rooting Connemara, which has become really popular as well due to the early flowers that I have right now in May, as well as to coconut flavor of the fruit. So that's a great variety. Hell is coming rooting, at least 40-50 cuttings over here. Continue with more Connemara over here. It's a good sign. I see already the new baby branches going through, so that's a sign that cuttings successfully rooted. On this side we're still rooting Enigma. I have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 40-50 cuttings of Enigma, which is cherry flavor, favorite variety as well. And then we got the Condor, we got American Beauty, Delight, and still more Lake Atitlan. So if you guys want to grab Lake Atitlan, these guys are ready to go on the trellises, and it could fruit you even this year. Okay, so regarding the tent over here, the greenhouse that we have, I told you we had so many collapse already due to high wind in California. It was terrible last Santa Ana spring wind, and strong and crushing all our, we had support so many like rebars to put, and those metal parts, they break in very easy. Okay, so it's cheap price. It's Timu, made in China. Definitely for our Southern California, it's okay to have it, but definitely you need to strong support after this. Expect it's going to collapse within a year or two. The the green cover that we had before, the plastic cover, it's losing the particles, start losing and shading completely. So we replace it with the 70-30 shade. Right now it helps a lot. So during winter time we still have that cover over to keep the warm, but definitely summertime this is the best. And support, which is with rebars, it needs to be done. Okay, they work, their customer service working fine. You know, they communicate with you, they can even send you the new one, but it's all time consuming, you know, to remove this one. We already nailed all the support on the back, 2x4s, everything got organized. So hopefully we'll survive the next wind, and be careful with the fires as well around the area. Okay, so here's the update on a beautiful greenhouse of Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. And very soon we'll get inside the orchard and I'll show you how many plants, how many varieties already have beautiful flowers. And thank you so much. I really appreciate, guys, if you click like and use subscribe to my channel. It helps us a lot. I really appreciate with all the comments. I really appreciate with 3,000 subscribers already, over 3,000, 125 5-star reviews. Everybody leave 5-star. I'm so happy with the visitors, and every day we're shipping, and every day, thanks God, you know, that people are happy and they reply to me, and I'm very happy to communicate with you and get update all the people around the world. That's what brings me joy and happiness. Okay, it's another hot day. I'm just trying to wet. It's been half an hour. It's already dry, 90 degree. Sorry. It's dry air. I need to drink some water, okay? So again, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik, 323 area code 547-1273. Wish you all the best. Adios. Bye-bye.